Municipal bonds are a way for local governments to borrow money from investors to fund public projects like schools, roads, and bridges. Often called munis, these debt securities are issued by states, cities, counties, and other government entities to finance their daily operations. The biggest draw for many investors is that the interest payments are usually exempt from federal taxes, making them a popular choice for high earners. When you buy a muni, you are effectively acting as the bank. You collect regular interest until the bond reaches its maturity date. While corporate bonds rely on business profits, municipal bonds rely on the taxing power of the government, which changes your risk profile. Corporate bonds might show a higher headline interest rate, but after taxes, a municipal bond can sometimes provide a better net return for you. Because of the tax benefits, munis are often most efficient for investors in higher tax brackets. Always check your specific financial situation first. Municipal bonds are a complex tool for public financing. Research your local issuers carefully. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.